Now in world of gaming, sound is very important nowadays, and almost every PC and console and mobile games has 3D sound effect like CSGO, Fortnite, PUBG and many more. And if you are a gamer, then you must be knowing headphones are the best mean of 3D sound effect. What's up guys, Karan here, and today we are talking about the Gamdias Hebe E1 and how this might just be the best gaming headphones you can buy out there. With that being said, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and well, let's get started. Now this is the box of the headphones and it's too catchy, right? Let's quickly talk about the specifications of the headphone and then we will be unboxing it. Now it has omnidirectional flexible microphones and oversized ear cuffs design. There is a leather headband and ear pads for comfort and a smart remote controller which can easily control volume, microphone and RGB lights. Now talking about the RGB, it has a breathing lighting effect which is a unique lighting effect for gaming headsets, and it has a realistic sound effect which provides an amazing gaming experience. And now let's check the headphone. Now for me, the build quality is the first thing I check while using any kind of audio peripheral, and the Hebe E1 has all plastic build, and the build in one word for me to sum up would be above average. It is not cheap in any way, but it does not look that premium yet. Now talking about the design of the headset, in one word for me is catchy, and it has those RGB lights because this is in fact a RGB gaming headphone. As far as the fit is concerned, that these are over the ear headphone, and I have used these at a stretch for long hours while gaming and while editing, and I haven't faced any issues at all. And it do have a large ear cups which will not let your ears fall in pain. Talking about the wire, it is made up of plastic and it is not a braided wire. Now coming to its performance, this headphone has a USB to lead the RGB and two 3.5mm jack, one for sound and one for mic. And along with this headphone, you get this remote in the wire connected that has two buttons and a scroll wheel on it. First one is to control the RGBs, and one thing I want to clear that you cannot change the light's color. The only thing you can do is on or off the RGB. Now second one is to control the mic, whether you want to mute it or to unmute it. Now third one is to control the volume of the headphone. Now coming to the sound quality, it is really satisfying. I mean, everything is just perfect. Let's test the sound quality of this headset. Talking about me personally, I love the sound that this headphone produces. I mean, it is really very great in terms of gaming. Now let's test the mic. The audio you are listening right now is recorded by Gamdias Hebe even, and you probably pointed out the difference. As far as I think, this headphone is best one you can buy in 2018, and I absolutely love this piece of tech, and this would be the way to go. And the only flaws, if I had to nitpick, would be for the fact that the build quality of the headphone and the controller could have been a bit more on the premium side, and if we can tune the RGB color to different modes or colors that we would like it to show, it would be really great. And well guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. If you guys are interested in this headset, Best Buy link is in the description below, and in case you guys like the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram and on Twitter. With that being said, this is Karan signing off. I will catch you guys in my next one. Have a great day. Peace out.